तो आज हम कॉन्फ्लिक्ट एंड पीस बिल्डिंग सिस्टम का जो पेपर है उसकी आंसर की डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। इसका जो पहला क्वेश्चन है, पीसफुल रेजोल्यूशन ऑफ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट इज conditioned by the CPOT widely accepted mechanisms for dispute resolution. Question number second, peace results from depart all of the above. Question number third, a concept that conceives of peace as something more than the absence of war is a part positive peace. Question number four, the violence that results from the discriminatory social practices and institutions is called a CPOT structural violence. Question number 5, the conflict among individual members of a group is called depart none of the above. Question number 6 is the process of controlling the immediate consequence of conflict is called depart conflict transformation. Question number 7, the conflict resolution involves depart willingness to change one's stand. Question number 8, social conflicts can result from depart scarcity of resources. Question number 9, which of the following factors can make conflict more interactable? A part presence of religious sentiment. Question number 10, peace education aims at C part both A and B. Question number 11, patriarchy refers to A part male dominance. Question number 12, democracies ensure political peace through D part all of the above. Question number 13, conflict transformation is about C part A, both A and B. Question number 14, which of the following is an example of ideological conflict? A part Cold War 1945 to 1990. Question number 15, the conflict shaped by beliefs and values is called A part ideological conflict. Question number 16, women empowerment is directed at D part all of the above. Question number 17, which of the following is the political means of controlling abuse political power? D part all of the above. Question number 18, Gandhian concept of struggle is based upon D part all of the above. Question number 19, social peace can result from D part all of the above. Question number 20, which of the following is vital for peaceful polity? D part all both A and B. Question number 21, the process of resolving interstate conflicts through informal means is called track second diplomacy. A part. Question number 22, which of the following is a means of international peace? D part all of the above. Question number 23, which article of Indian Constitution protects fundamental rights? A, Article 12. Question number 24, which of the following rights is issued to protect personal freedom? A part habeas corpus. Question number 25, under which article is the public interest legislation PIL filed in the High Court of India? B part Article 226. Question 26, conflict resolution generally involves C part both A and B. Question 27, which of the following is the means of conflict resolution in India? B part Education Election Commission. Question number 28, United Nations Charter enshrines international peace through B part legitimizing war. Question 29, which of the following article of Indian Constitution articulates international peace? A part Article 51. Question number 30, when is the UN International Day for Peace observed? 21st September. A part.